There's a lot of misconceptions around 1 minute short films. Is it too short for a good story? Is it too short to be professional? And can a 1 minute short film even win awards? To answer all these questions, I've made my own 1 minute short film. And today I'm now heading towards the premiere of it in Hengelo at the Night of the Short Films. And I'll be competing with multiple short films, and also among them is also an AI generated short film. So you might ask, why make a 1 minute short film? And it is to challenge myself because I haven't made a proper 1 minute short film before. And also because I had a bit of free time. Making a 1 minute short wouldn't really use that much time. It's also quite easy to make it a quite low budget. It really depends on how you want to make it yourself, because you can make it as complicated as you want. But I made this one quite simple, very low budget, and only basically had to spend money on a single prop. And for the rest, yes, also to see how I improved over the years. And like, it is a quite interesting challenge to make a 1 minute short and send it into different festivals and other contests, and see if that 1 minute short can even win from other films that are longer. Is 1 minute short a too short format for a good story? Honestly, there's plenty of examples of that you can do it. So basically you have your YouTube shorts, your Instagram reels. Those are short formats, and people are able to get like good stories in them. And also you have like short films websites that basically have tons of like 1 minute shorts on them as a good example to learn from. Is a 1 minute film too short to be professional, and can it actually win awards? So I'm now actually at the event of Nacht van de Korte Films. And yeah, it's basically a competition between multiple short films. And my film is selected to be screened tonight, and is basically in competition with multiple short films. And I can possibly win like the jury award or the judge award or a audience award. So it is possible that I would win something with just my short film or my 1 minute short film. And there'll be also other films that are longer that are presented. But of course, it's really depends on your story, the quality of your film, and yeah, how good your film actually is. It doesn't really matter how long it is, but if you are able to get a proper story and tell your story correctly, even a 1 minute can be enough. So right now I am at the train station. So I've left the event to try to get home right now. But unlucky, the result is I didn't win. However, I did got the second place. So out of the 10 short films that were shown, a second place, yeah, I'm really happy with this result. Of course, it'd be nicer if I won, but still, like, I show you guys a second place with a short film or a 1 minute short against like several like longer short films. It is possible, and it is doable to get like a short film that is really nice. And also talking to like the organizers, and they actually like that I was like one of the few sending in a short 1 minute film that literally just fit well, because they prefer actually the shorter films, because they can put in more films instead of having a lot of long short films. So it's already have been a few days after the event. Yeah, being a runner-up, of course, didn't really answer the question, can a 1 minute short win? But actually, I've already won at a few other events or festivals. I've won at London Movie Award, where I won the Best Picture Award. Also at a few others, I've won like Best Short Film or Best Indie Short Film. So a 1 minute short film definitely can win at festivals. Just the main thing is just to make a good short film, good story. Yeah, just make it the best as possible. And definitely it can win awards. So you shouldn't be afraid that it being 1 minute that it's too short. Just make sure it's just a really good short. So hope you found this very inspirational, that you would make your own first 1 minute short. And I hope that you want to see more of this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.